Get the perfect fusion of anti-aging skincare in a foundation with the new Teint Lift Anti-Rides Foundation by Lise Watier. Hi, my name is Munisa and I make beauty related videos just like this one. So if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and come join the SAS fam. Now unfortunately, this foundation only comes in these 10 shades and I got the shade Beige Pour, which basically translates to pure beige, and in terms of consistency, I'd say it's more on the runny side. To apply, they suggest using a foundation brush, and I'm applying it on this side without any primer. So this is one layer of the foundation and nothing on this side. For this side, I'll go in with my trusty Tea Tree Pore Minimizer primer before applying the foundation. And this is what one layer of the foundation looks like with the primer and without the primer. In my opinion, you definitely need to use a primer if you want to blur out your pores. But other than that, as I mentioned in my first impressions video, one layer of this foundation gives medium coverage with a natural finish. And also, I'm not noticing any creasing under my eyes, although the foundation is looking a bit streaky, so I'm just going to buff it out with my damp beauty sponge. Next, since it says that it has buildable coverage, I'm going to apply another layer of the foundation. And this is what 2 layers look like versus just 1 layer of the foundation. Let's apply another layer on this side as well. And this is 2 layers of the foundation with the primer and without the primer. 2 layers of this foundation gives full coverage while still feeling lightweight. Also, I am noticing the slightest bit of creasing under both my eyes, so I am going to go set it before it gets any worse and then check back in a few hours. So it's been 2.5 hours since I applied the Lise Watier Teint Lift Anti-Rides Foundation, and from afar, as you can tell, everything is nice and blended with the foundation, but looking up close, it has already started creasing under both my eyes even though I did set the foundation. 10 hours later, the foundation still feels hydrating, lightweight, and I love how it's giving my face that nice healthy glow without being oily. And then if you look up close, you can see that the creasing under my eyes is the same as before. However, I'm also noticing it caking and creasing around my smile lines. My final thoughts on the Teint Lift Anti-Rides Foundation by Lise Watier is that for 48 Canadian dollars plus tax, I personally don't think it's worth it because 1, it only comes in 10 shades, and 2, it did crease under my eyes just after a couple of hours even though I did set it with a setting powder. So I can say that it is a 24-hour long wearing foundation. Now the only thing that I do love about this foundation is that it's lightweight, hydrating, and it gives my face a nice healthy glow. Plus, it barely transferred onto my mask. Now to do the waterproof test, I'm just going to quickly blot my face with a clean tissue before applying the water, and with a clean cotton round, I'm just going to dab the area dry. And as you can see, none of the foundation transferred onto the cotton round. So for all these reasons, I'm giving the Teint Lift Anti-Rides Foundation by Lise Watier 2 out of 5 stars. Now a 24-hour foundation that I do recommend is the Yves Rocher Zero Diffus Eduli Water Shot Flawless Foundation. And you can click here to watch that review or here to watch any of my other videos, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be a part of the SAS fam.